Right, hi there. Today we're going to solve this particular question, which most people find it difficult to solve. All right, I would highly suggest breaking down the steps to correct this question because it may involve a number of actions to get the answer correct. All right, now, first thing I have to understand is that this function is linear. And how do I understand it? Well, it is decreasing constantly, see that? So if it is decreasing constant, that means it is a linear function. All right, what does linear function look like? So it was g, right? G of x is equal to mx plus b. This is how linear equations looks like. And first thing I have to do is find the slope and the b of this particular function. And how do I do it? I just take 2 points. All right, let it be I have to write down x's first. It's gonna be -9 and 0 is equal to, what is it? 12 and 1. I just want you to notice this fact. As soon as I wrote down the axis, I have to write down the corresponding values of axis, like -9 and 12. This is what I have to write to find b and slope. All right, I found b. I found slope, which is -11 over 9. -11 over 9. And the slope, and the b is 1. b is 1. All right, I don't need that. Then we're told that the line k, which is defined like that, like line k and g of x have infinitely many solutions. Where's that? Infinitely many solutions. What that means is that they intersect infinitely many times, meaning these lines are the same. All right. So when I draw k, it has to look like this, like exactly like this line, meaning -11 over 9 should be the slope, and 1 should be the constant. And as you guys know, linear equations are expressed this way. M, y is equal to mx plus b, meaning we have to express y in order to illustrate linear functions, right? Meaning we have to also express y here. And how does that look like? Well, that looks like this. If we subtract -165 from both sides, we'll get -165x divided by b. And then plus w divided by b. All right, the last step is that, as I mentioned earlier, uh, minus uh, minus 165 divided by b should be equal to -11 divided by 9. Why? Because they have infinite solutions. Their slopes and the constant should be the same. All right, so we know that p is 135. I have to do the same thing with w over p. I'm gonna write here w over, not p at this point, because I know the value of p. I'm gonna write 135 is equal to, this delta sign means equal to, all right? But when you deal with letters, you have to put delta sign. It should be equal to 1, meaning w is also 135. And I just have to find the sum, which is 270. I hope that was informative. Thanks for watching.